Hi, you guys. Welcome back to the show. My name is Brad. This is the Firefighters Financial Toolbox. And today we are going to do my June dividend portfolio update. And as always, I like to take a look at the S&P 500 and see how we've done so far this month. And if we take a look at it, you see that we started the month off just over 4,200, 4,202, and we ended up at 4,314. So you guys, we're up about 112 points for the month. We did have one little sag there in the middle. Remember, we're going to have some ups and downs all the time. If we take a look at the 5-day, we see that even during the week we've had some ups and downs, but it's been going up and up. And it finished strong for the week. Okay, you guys, now we're looking at my Google Sheets Dividend Tracker. This is just a simple Google Sheets that I put together, you guys. Basically, I fill it in monthly. And as you guys can see, that this month is the biggest month for dividends I have personally had. $260.32. Up from my previous biggest month by just about $13. All right, so let's take a look at all of the dividends that I received this month. Now, as you guys know, March, June, September, and December are my 4 biggest months for dividends. So although it'd be nice to have the dividends equal every month, that's not how it works. All right, so if we take a look at the dividends that we did get paid this month, first one we have is ADM, which is Archer Daniels Midland. They paid me $3.45. ADP, the payroll giant, paid me $1.86. AGNC, which is a monthly paying REIT, paid me $5.80. Bank of America paid me $13.56. CCI paid me $13.53. That is also a REIT, Crown Castle International. They do 5G towers and cell towers and such. DLR, that's another REIT that does its digital realty. Basically, they do cloud storage, you guys. So one thing you'll notice here is I have some yellow columns. The yellow columns are in my Roth, you guys. These are tax-free accounts. And the reason I have them marked separately is simple. All of my REITs, you'll see, are in the yellow categories. And that's because REITs pay a non-qualified dividend. And if it's taxed and it's taxable account, it's taxed as ordinary income. So I don't want to do that. I like to keep it protected. So continuing on, we have Con Edison. That's a energy company, $15.79. Johnson & Johnson paid me $22.15. McDonald's paid me a total of $7.67. 3M paid me $10.45. That's Realty Income, another monthly paying REIT. That paid me $9.78. Cool thing you can see, you guys, when you look at the monthly ones is that they keep raising. And as I reinvest the small amount that was given me in the dividend, that dividend keeps growing a little bit each month. And in this case, about 4 cents over 30 days. So that's nice. Next one I have is Pfizer, $23.64. Public Storage, that's $20.40. Again, that's another REIT that's in my Roth. Next up is Visa, ticker symbol V, $1.87. VTRS, that is Viatris. That was a spin-off company from Pfizer. And I initially got some free shares of that, and they paid me their first ever dividend of $1.10. Now, if we look back up here in December, it did have in the dividend column, but that was actually a special one-time payment they made. This is the actual, I believe, first regular dividend payment. All right, next up is Walgreens Booth Alliance, WBA, $16.84. Waste Management paid me $7.77. Walmart paid me $2.65. And Water Group, which is Aqua Essentials, paid me $4.91. My biggest payer of all, you guys, is Exxon. And Exxon paid me $66.18. If we come down here to the bottom, we see so far for the year, now we're 6 months in, and I've made $856.33 in total dividends, and of those, about $518 were taxable. So let's take a look at the individual accounts and see how we're doing. In my Vanguard account, we can see this is made of two parts. We have the brokerage account, and that's sitting at about $20,121.25. And then we have the individual REITs that I have in my Roth IRA at Vanguard, and those are $8,696. So my dividend total for Vanguard currently is $28,817.98. All right, moving on to the Ally Invest account. Now, you guys, I realize I have a lot of accounts, and as I get closer to retirement, I'm going to try and minimize these, but let's go through them. Okay, so this is all individual stocks that I hold in a brokerage account at Ally. And I started this account back before Vanguard had free stock trades. So this is sitting at $22,317.63. And lastly, my M1 Finance account. So my M1 account, we actually have two portions here. We have a taxable portion. We also have a Roth portion, which I keep some dividend stocks. And we see the Roth portion currently sits at $8,204, while the taxable portion sits at $13,513, bringing my total for those two to $21,717.79. So if we go into the big kahuna, we take a look at the whole thing. So my overall account for this month, you guys, the June dividend total currently is sitting at $72,853.40. So every month it's growing. And once again, as I said, biggest month so far for individual dividends. So that's making me happy. You guys, you keep reinvesting those dividends, your yield on cost grows, the amount you're getting paid for dividend grows. It's a good way to sort of guarantee some income when it's time to take it in retirement. It's not for everybody, but it works for me. All right, you guys, I hope you got something out of it. If you did, do me a favor, please drop me that like. It really helps the algorithm. All right, we'll see you. Thanks.